So welcome back to Penwell Sailing Adventures. I know I've been gone for a little while, so I've been doing a lot of thinking, sitting on the boat, thinking about a lot of things. Health started getting bad, started getting better again. Still recovering from getting hit by that truck, and my shoulder's still acting up. But I just figured I'd give you guys an update what we're doing, get started with the videos again. Celestial's starting to have little paint problems. Turns out my buddy painted her with a latex house paint over a dirty boat. So that's not really holding up very well. We're gonna have to just skin her down, repaint her. Not a big deal, but you know, you need to know what you're doing when you do it. It's looked good for a while though. So anyway, today we're going to be doing is running up to the hardware, Harbor Freight. Gonna get her a few things, so get her anchor chain all squared away. And you know, just getting time for hurricane season here, so just gonna go pick up a new section of chain. So enjoy. Julio's Empanadas on the corner of 49th Street South and Gulf Boulevard, Gulfport, Florida. Love this place, man. Ever since they opened up, best empanadas I've had since New Jersey. Used to love the ones out by Jersey City, up off 1 and 9. So can't wait to try the pizza one I just seen they have. So yeah, I love this place. New pizza one, pretty good. This is like one of the only places you can eat for less than $10 and not be hungry later. Alright, bus ride later. Harbor Freight. People laugh, but you actually can get some boat stuff here, at least till you get better stuff. Anyway, it works good. I still don't know what that Catapult Adventure Spark is. As small as the building looks, must be a bunch of a high adventure. But anyway, time to go boat part shopping. So here we are for what I came for. Tow chain, 5,400 pound brake, zinc coated. You know, it's actually pretty reasonable here at 34 bucks a section, at least until I can get a one-piece chain, full length. But definitely go for the heavier chain for the tow chain. It's holding up well. We'll show that in the next video too, comparison of the new chain to the old chain. But yeah, this Harbor Freight stuff does work pretty good, at least for short term, but you're gonna have to replace it more, obviously. I wouldn't get the chain in a bucket though for an anchor chain on my boat. Just too lightweight, too light duty. It's not something I'm looking for. But the links there, yeah, we're gonna need those. Just to, you know, put it in the line there a little bit until I get clevises for it. All I need to do is just get a one-piece chain. But that's what we're using for now. There you go. Ooh, that's swivel 1540. Yep. Definitely need to get another one of these. It's not bad. I'm gonna pick that up next week though when I come back for more of that chain. Yep. Yeah, it's one reason I go with the Doji. 2,600 pound brake, right? But $39 for 15 feet, or $34 on sale right now for 14 feet. Grade 43 DOT, still lighter grade than what I used to use on my rig, but this stuff here, 5,400 pounds. I don't know why, I just love that toolbox they have there. I want to get that for my small tools, maybe one for art supplies on the boat, just not today. Definitely gonna need some more stuff in here. I hate it. Every time I come in here I want to buy everything. Aluminum rods, definitely gonna need this when we go to do a rear rail and make the full freaking Dodger. Here we go. Definitely need one of these guys. There we go, mechanics wire. This stuff don't hold up long, but it holds up long enough so it tells you it's time to change it. Definitely need a few of these guys. So yeah, picked up the chain, picked up the links, picked some of the mechanics wire up for the clevises I have on the chain right now, just to lock them in for the hurricane season coming. And of course we're sitting here and just staring at the laundry going round and round and round and round. And anyway, so yeah, that's what we did today. And be sure to tune in for the next one here. I know you can't see Celestial too good in this, but yeah, she's in the picture, hiding in the dark. It was after dark we got back. So anyway, have a good one. Thanks for watching.